Welcome to Tech World channel. Today I will show you how to set alarm in your OnePlus Nord N30 SE 5G phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your app screen and then look for clock app. Here it is. Then just open the clock app. Now from here tap on alarm. Now if you want to set a new alarm, just tap on this plus icon. Now from here set your alarm time. Then set AM or PM. Then type your alarm name. Now if you want to change your alarm ringtone, just tap on ringtone, then tap on classic themes, and then you can choose any alarm tone from here. Now just go back and then go back again. Now if you want to repeat your alarm, just tap on custom. From here you can set your alarm for 7 days. You can choose Sunday, Monday, Tuesday and all the 7 days. Also if you want to set one time alarm, then just select ring once and it's done. Then tap on done and that's it. You can see in my phone alarm has been set successfully. If you want to turn off this alarm, just tap here and it's turned off. Also if you want to delete any alarm, just touch and hold it, then tap on delete and it's deleted successfully. And that is how you can set alarm in your OnePlus Nord N30 SE 5G phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.